Alright guys, this is the first video of the second module of our rate analysis course, and in this video we will learn how to do the rate analysis of the first class brickwork. Before we move into the video, just a quick note, I've added discounted links to my full Udemy courses in the description and the pinned comment below. If you want everything explained clearly and practically, make sure to check them out. Brickwork is one of the most important civil engineering item of work, and it's generally used everywhere. So we'll start with this. When you have to do the rate analysis, okay, so we already have the basic concept of what the rate analysis is. It is what it constitutes. Now let's do step by step. Let's do the rate analysis of the important civil engineering item of works. When you are doing the rate analysis, the first thing is you understand the item. So this is a brickwork, and the unit for measurement, this is measured in meter cube, meaning that if this is your brick wall, then when measuring your item of work, you will measure the length from this end to this end. You will measure the thickness. So the thickness is not shown here. Let's say that the wall is thick like this. Okay, you will measure the thickness, and then you will measure the depth or the height of the wall. Okay, so this is B, and this is H. So length times breadth times height, you will get the quantity in meter cube. This is for the full brick wall, meaning that the thickness is 9 inch. This thickness is 9 inch. If the brick wall is half brick wall, meaning that the thickness is 4.5 inch, then this brick wall is measured in meter square. And the rate analysis procedure is the same. The principle is the same like we do for this wall, but as the unit is different, the calculations will be different. But you understand this full brick wall, then you can do the calculation for the half brick wall as well. And at the end of this video, I will show you the difference between the half brick wall and the full brick wall. Okay, now let's get started. So you understood the unit. Now next is you need to understand the brick. So it's a first class brickwork, meaning that the bricks that will be used in this item of work will be of the first class. Okay, now the size of the brick, the size of the brick, it might be different. The size of the brick depends on the location, depends on the manufacturer. Okay, you need to get the size from the place where your project is located before doing the analysis. Now I will use here the size that is normally followed in the place where I work, and using the same principle, you get the size from the manufacturer where your project is located, and then you do the calculations. It's really simple. The length, I'll take 230 mm. Okay, 230 mm or 9 inches we say. The breadth, I'll take 110 mm. Not 150, it's 110 mm, and the height is half of the breadth, and that is 55 mm. Okay, so this is the size of my brick. 230 by, we call it 230 by 110 by 55. This is the size of the brick. Now let's do the rate analysis. Rate analysis for 1 meter cube of brickwork. Okay, so the volume of the brickwork that we are analyzing the rate of is 1 meter cube. And if you see the brick, you see that from here up to here, it's the length of the brick. Then we got the height of the brick. This height 55 mm. The thickness you cannot see on this 2D image, and you see there is mortar in between the bricks. This gray thing is the mortar. It's the cement plus sand mortar. Okay, and the thickness of the mortar thickness of mortar is equal to, normally we take 10 to 12 mm. So this is the thickness what we will take. Okay, now let's first calculate size of the brick with the mortar. As I had said in the previous module that for the rate analysis, what we do, we break the item of work into material and the labor, and there are other things as well. Now I will show you how we do the material calculation. For example, for 1 meter cube of brickwork, what materials you will need and the quantity of those materials we are going to calculate over here. So one thing is material calculation. All right. So the size of the brick with mortar is equal to 230. Let's take 10 mm mortar, then it's 10 times, I should not say size, I can say volume, times 110 plus 10 times 55 plus 10. This is equal to, because the mortar is on all the side of the brick, okay, on all sides of the brick. So this is equal to 240 times 120 times 65, which is equal to this much of volume, okay, this much of volume in mm cube, and I need this in meter cube because we are doing the calculation in meter cube. So I'll divide this by 1000, again divide by 1000, and again divide by 1000, and this is the volume that I'll get in meter cube, 0.001872 meter cube. Okay. Now I need to calculate number of bricks in 1 meter cube of brickwork. So how many bricks will I need? This is equal to volume of brickwork divided by volume of each brick. This is equal to volume of brickwork we are considering is at the moment 1 meter cube divided by 0.001872. This is equal to 534, and we'll say nearly equal to 535 numbers. All right. So this is the actual needed, but at the side there are wastage. So let's consider wastage. So add 5% for wastage. So this is 5%. You can take from 3 to 5%. And this is equal to 1.05 times 535. And this is equal to, again, let's multiply 562. 562. Okay. So to get 1 meter cube of brickwork, you will need 562 number of bricks. 562 numbers. All right.